The British Army has officially received its first Boxer armoured vehicle entirely built in the United Kingdom, marking a landmark achievement in one of its most ambitious modernisation programs. Manufactured by Rheinmetall BAE Systems Land, RBSL, in Telford, the vehicle has been delivered to the Army's training centre at Bovington, where it will serve as a vital platform for preparing troops for the next generation of mechanised warfare. At Bovington, soldiers will gain hands-on experience driving, operating, and maintaining the new 8x8 armoured vehicle, which is set to become a cornerstone of the Army's future combat formations. This delivery is a key milestone in a £5 billion investment plan that will see 623 Boxer vehicles supplied in multiple configurations to equip mechanised infantry units across the country. The Boxer has been designed with versatility, mobility, and protection in mind. Its modular design allows for rapid adaptation to different operational roles, while approximately 75% of its components are sourced from UK suppliers. The program not only strengthens the Army's capabilities but also provides a substantial boost to the domestic defence sector. Production is now underway at RBSL's Telford facility and WFEL in Stockport, supporting around 400 direct roles in these locations and over 1,000 additional jobs across the wider UK supply chain. While the majority of production will transition to the UK, some early manufacturing will continue in Germany to meet initial delivery schedules. This approach aligns with government plans to enhance industrial resilience and build a sustainable domestic defence manufacturing base. Defense Procurement Minister Maria Eagle emphasized that the Boxer program delivers cutting-edge military technology while simultaneously generating high-value industrial benefits for the UK. The UK's Boxer project runs alongside other major armoured vehicle initiatives, including the procurement of 148 Challenger 3 main battle tanks and the Ajax family of tracked reconnaissance vehicles. Collectively, these programs are expected to sustain and create more than 6,000 jobs in the British defence manufacturing sector, underlining the strategic and economic significance of these investments. As the Boxer fleet enters service, the British Army moves closer to achieving a modernised, highly mobile force capable of responding to emerging threats with enhanced flexibility, protection, and firepower, all while supporting a robust domestic industrial base.